So hi guys, for today's video we're gonna learn about how to monitor and respond to Google reviews inside your Zapify.io sub account. So first, click reputation, then click reviews. So you can see here this review, so you can see all your incoming Google reviews in one place. So you can be there's a sources for this. Um, so I don't have here any reviews yet, but you can see all your incoming good reviews here. And if you want to reply in your reviews, click reply next to any review to respond directly without leaving Shopify.io. So you can also monitor your overall rating and track reviews read over time from the same dashboard. You can close this for filtering your sources or your stars for your reviews. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.